Today's interaction is for Sphinx Protocol, and we have the Sphinx Early Access campaign. And so I'm going to show you everything that you need to know in order to be properly positioned for this protocol interaction, which started 29th of November, just a few days ago. So first of all, Sphinx Protocol is building a decentralized trading platform, and currently they are taking feedbacks on whether or not to include commodities in their trading solution. But that's a gist for another day. Today, let's focus on the pre-testnet early access campaign. So as you can see right here, under 600 individuals have actually claimed the Galxe Farmer role. And if you don't know what the Galxe Farmer role gives you, it gives you additional 250 points. There is also the role of the mad scientist, which gives you plus 500 points XPs, and that helps you to climb up the leader board. So what you have to do for the Sphinx protocol is simple. You need to complete all these tasks: one, two, three, four, five, six of them. That's all. So the first one is to head into the Sphinx server on Discord, which is what I have opened here in my other tab. And as you can see, I have already completed the verification processes and I have access into other servers. But for you, you need to complete your verification, which is here. You need to start from here. And once you're done, okay, I just completed my navigations. So once you're done from the verification, you would have access to the general tab and every other place. And you have to start chatting immediately because, and there's a reason for this, okay? The reason for this is there was a post that was released somewhere. I'll just quickly take some time to locate that post. That post essentially details what and what you should be doing in the server in order to get um caught up in the ranks. Now the ranks in the Sphinx protocol is okay. Now here is it, the pre-testnet campaign, and you need to complete certain types of tasks, whether it's social tasks, whether it's community driven tasks. But the goal of this, especially in the Discord server, is to climb through level 1 to level 15 before the testnet begins. Now, if you're able to get into level 10, between level 10 and level 15, you're going to be getting XP bump on every testnet action, which varies from 5% to 20% respectively. And then, of course, you have early access before the public launch of their token, which means you have the opportunity to buy in early. These are all future perks, but we need to focus right now and climb up the ranks. Now, the question is, how do you climb up the ranks? So before I answer this question, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back once again to OVOWORKS, and this is the YouTube channel where we talk about the simple, straight to the point videos on how to interact with project protocols launching in blockchain and Web3 at large. So you don't need to worry whether or not you have a technical background. This video will take you through everything that you need. All you need to do is to sit down with our videos and know exactly what to do. So please, some of us will watch the videos, we do not subscribe. Please, we are asking, it's not a comfortable thing to always talk about, please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. But however, we still need to talk about it. So please take your time, double check. If you appreciate the work that we do, then that's one way to support our work. And also we have a Telegram community also listed in the comment section where you can have a one-on-one access to me to ask your questions. Feel free, take advantage of it. We're setting community calls, live streams where we can have real-time discussions in the space and around issues you're having. So why not? If some is good, more is better. So take advantage of everything at your disposal. And so we can now get back to the video. So the question is, how do you get the XP's point? Now, the first one, like I mentioned before, is to be active in the community, the general, and stay chatty. Now, when you stay chatty, that is option one. Option two is to create content and share your content in the thread contest. If you're a thread writer, you can put that here, or content creation. Say you are a post writer, a thread writer, or a video editor like what we're doing on OVOWORKS right now. Then, of course, feel free to use the content creation and share your content. All these are the ways you can get more XPs, and then of course you being present, chatting, assisting, helping people in the general tab. It's also a way to be active. Now, there are rules of engagement right here. Number one of them is you don't want to be found gaming the system because there are penalties, and penalties would involve banning you out of the server. So please be careful because everything else is linked here. So now the question is, what exactly do you need to do? So if we go back to the base of this task, which is Galxe, the first row has been completed. You found the link in the description box and click that link and it brought you here. The second one is to complete these Twitter related actions, and for you to do this you need to go into your Galxe settings, and in your Galxe settings you need to set up a few things. Of course, you need to set up your primary wallet, which is going to be your EVM wallet address, and as you well know, we created a MetaMask seed phrase and imported that seed phrase into Rabbit Wallet extension, and so all our connections are hooked to Rabbit Wallet, which makes it seamless. And you can set up your profile name. I'm just running through this for any of our community member who has issues setting this up. And then of course, if you click on the social accounts tab, you're going to see that I have connected my email, I've connected my Twitter, X, I've connected my Discord, my GitHub, my Telegram. But if you haven't done any of this, you'll be seeing the buttons as connect WorldCoin account. So in your case, it's going to be connect Discord account or connect Telegram account, and then of course connect Very account. And once you click on the button to connect your Discord account, it's going to take you through a series of prompts. Read carefully and go through those prompts. And once you're in, remember, you need to connect your X account so that you'll be able to track your X related tasks. You also need to connect your Discord account so that when you're done with all the tasks, you can be able to claim the Galxe Farmer role, which gives you additional 250 XPs. Otherwise, you will not be able to claim it. And then the last one is to connect your Telegram account, which is also important because there is a task, and if we go back, there is a task that has you join the Telegram. Okay, so when you join the Telegram, you have to be active in the Telegram chats, and at the end of the day you get the Galxe Farmer role. Now there is the other task, which is the mad scientist role. That one is gotten when you join the update, when you join the community, um when you join the community chat. So I'm just going to try to look for that post, otherwise we can just move on in the video. So yeah, this is for the pre-testnet campaign and also understanding the metrics of how to climb in the Discord server and why you should be working to climb the Discord server. And also, please take note that right now the timer settings has been disconnected. The membership strength in the Discord server is around under 3,000, so you and I are still early, so you really don't have much roadblocks on the way now. Remember, as more people join the server, difficulties are going to be increasing. So now that the Discord server is really um, um, small in terms of membership strength, then you should be focused on climbing. As you can see, the Genesis core rule was granted to the first 1,000 Discord members. So this is taken already. You can no longer claim the Genesis Discord rule. And guys, I always preach to get the Genesis Discord rule because there are more perks that are available to Genesis role holders, whether it's NFT minting, whether it's percentage on allocations. There are more benefits of being a Genesis